just can't seem to shake this cough. I've tried everything else and I just don't know what to do.
Well, luckily there's ConPhil, the best new cough suppressant medicine available. ConPhil includes small dosages of LSD and crack cocaine to make it tough on even the most brutal cough.
Did you seriously just bleep that out? Now that I don't have my cough, I don't have to worry about infesting my closest friends with potentially life-threatening germs and disease. Thanks, Cough Be Gone. Now I can breathe easy.
ConPhil includes some mild side effects, such as headache, nausea, exhaustion, prolonged comas, epileptic seizures, breaking out in strange green warts, serial murder, and an increase in parking tickets.
Ask your doctor if Cough Be Gone is right for you. Sorry, I'm tripping real hard right now. But seriously, ask your doctor if Cough Be Gone is right for you. Okay? Just do it. Just do it.